Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. Let's learn counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, so many black color toys. Wow, bye bye. Wow, this is a police cap. This is full of black color. Wow. Wow, this is a police cap. Bye bye. Wow, this is a mini toy gun. Wow. Green, this is airplane. This is green color plastic bullet. Wow. Wow. Orange. Wow, it's so many powerful toy gun. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is a binocular, toy binocular. This is full of black color. Wow. Oh. Bye bye. Wow, this is another mini toy gun. Red, black, two colors. Mini toy gun. Wow. Black, this is black color plastic bullet. Wow. Green. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is a police toy max. Red, black. Wow. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is a police watch. Wow, orange, black, two colors, police watch. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is a police car. This is full of black color. Wow. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is a walkie-talkie. This is full of black color. Wow. Wow. Bye bye. Wow, this is city police big gun. Wow, this is full of black color. Wow. 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 Bye bye.